Hello everyone, Shabir Ansari is here. Welcome to a new unclogging video. I need your support to get my first 1000 subscribers. So please help me to achieve that target. Today we are going to unclog a sewer line which seems like that it is blocked since a long, but not a single person registered a complaint about this street, that their street is overflowing. The staff is checking which span is blocked or from where the sewer line is blocked. Seems like the sewer line is blocked from this manhole. Let's see what is the condition of next manhole and what about the situation of water level in that manhole. It's almost dry. Let's have a closer look. You can see too many beavers and rubbish inside the manhole. There are some beds, sticks, and some other things which is mixed with the other waste. This kind of rubbish or beavers cause blockage in sewer lines and drains, which cause blocking in sewer lines again and again. So the residents should think about this and mindset need to be changed so the sewer lines or the sewage system can work properly. Unclogging has been started with the help of steel bar. After making it straight, the steel bar it has been put into the sewer line to get the blockage which is causing this overflow. Staff is trying to create a way for this sewage. Let's see, is there any movement of sewage in next manhole? Rubbish which was inside the manhole, which I shown, it's removed from manhole. You can see all kind of beavers in this blockage. Now this manhole is feeling better. Staff move forward this steel bar which is in round shape by making it straight. Open the circles one by one until they get to the blockage. Sometimes the blockage is away or not in the range of steel bar. So at that time we have to use jetting machine, which is the last option. For now, this blockage has formed from the sewer line. It looked like some sort of cloth. Here we go. Sewer line got functional, and the level of sewage in the manhole is decreasing with a significant speed. Sewage is coming from all around. You can see that. ਉਹਨੂੰ ਬੁਲਾਓ ਕਿ ਤੂੰ ਪਾਣੀ ਵਾਪਸ ਜਾਣਾ its level is decreasing continuously. Now it is empty completely. There is no more sewage. There is only a mud or waste which is inside the manhole. It is human waste which is mixed to some kind of mud or earth. Last manhole is still remaining, and the sewage is creating his way. Now it has made their way, and the last span is also got functional. It is a thick sewage because mud or silt is mixed with this sewage. Yeah. Now staff is creating a way for sewage that is on the street, so it can go back into the manhole and street could be clear. At this manhole there is some kind of marble crush which is over the manhole. You can see it is in
Marea taan jogla.
white color form. Sewage is going back smoothly. All the sewage which was overflowing and accumulated at street is gone back, and the street regarding overflow is clear now. That is all for today. Thank you very much for watching.